Hey, what's happening, guys? Today's a good day. Today, Porsche's world premiere is going to release something very electrifying. We got the 2020 Porsche Taycan, and the live stream will actually go here on the West Coast at 6 a.m. and I believe 1 p.m. GMT time. And if you're with the Central East, you will be at 3 p.m. So let's just jump in. Okay, so today we're talking about a car that we have no information about. It is a electrifying, full electric, zero emissions car by Porsche. Now we know about Porsche because they built the Boxer motor and they threw it over the rear tires, and it was a magnificent race car. But now let's actually take a look. So as we look at it, we get no information in this picture clearly because this is just a teaser. This is to hype us up for what's to come. But from what I can see is it is an LED monster. So let's start there. But let's go ahead and take a look at this, what I've found. This is the artwork for it, and it just looks magnificent. Look at the lights. This is all concept, but from what I was told, concept and the reality are going to be very close together for this project, and it was to take us into the future of what's really happening. Porsche is leaping into the future from what they have done, from combustion motors to full electric. Right now, it would be Tesla who's leading, but Tesla's needed some competition for a while to kind of step up their game, and I think we're going to see this now with Porsche jumping in. They have an established manufacturing company. They know how to do this right. So I think we're going to see some big things from them. But I was just reading about, what this all means because there is some numbers on here. So some numbers are stating that it's going to have a range of 310 miles. Now, that's not necessarily that good, but it's not necessarily that bad. It is a step forward for electric cars, but still kind of on pause. It's not really moving forward upwards, but they're trying to the equivalent they're trying to say is around 700 horsepower for the newton meters of torque. So that's also interesting because the more power, more energy used up. I know it's Porsche, so it's high performance. But I'm thinking with electric cars, maybe we need to step down the power just a little because you'll still get the performance, but maybe, find a way to conserve that battery a little more so we get longer range, since we're jumping into the EV game. But yeah, the LED lights really catch me. I think it's really amazing how the LEDs look. But let's jump inside and just take a look at what we do got, because this is like random pictures that are floating around the web right now. And this is what the inside is a concept look of. Now, as we can see in this picture, which is pretty cool, we see the dashboard that's like laid out in front of you. And then you see right here in the center column, you have a screen kind of like the Tesla, but it's smaller, more condensed. And then you have air vents right above that. I'm assuming that's for cooling. Actually, the screens as well, because think about it. When you do run those, that cooling is behind all that, so that will help keep all behind there kind of cool. Obviously it's not going to cool the devices themselves, but yeah, very cool. I like the vents right here. I like the vents on the side over here to the far right. And then this cup holder, I like how it's lit up. That actually reminds me of the Ford Fusion. When it first came out, the cup holders were always lit up in the sides. So I like that they took the accents. I'm sure you could customize the colors of whatever color you want. But look at the music dashboard over here. That's freaking cool. And then for your phone calls, I mean, it's getting very futuristic, guys. We're falling into that future finally. So I'm very excited. Make sure to jump in. The live stream will be happening in about an hour and a half from the time of this being uploaded. And join us. I think it's going to be really cool to see a future car jump into the game of electrifying electric cars. I want more, and I know you guys want more, and we don't want to be stuck with just one car. But also in 2020, the more practical and rugged Taycan, which is the Cross Turismo, will also be announced, which is a wagon. And I'm a big fan of wagons, so yeah, I'm in. Wagons, you could put a lot in a wagon. But as for this electrifying car, we're going to see what kind of comes out. Like I said, we really don't have much word yet, and I'm waiting for us to get some more feedback on what's actually going on. All I know is that it's going to be released today as Porsche announces it. And I'm looking forward to seeing. But let me know down in the comments. How do you guys feel about electric cars? Are you a big fan of them? See, I love combustion engines. I've built plenty of them in my past. I race dirt bikes. I love combustion. But electric, I love electric. I love RC cars. I know how quick they are. I've been in my fair share of electric cars. I know how fast they are. Volkswagen just set a new world record in their electric uphill race car. Clearly, electric is here to stay. But what is the future? Because the future was combustion. Now it's electric. What's next? We got to look forward. I think looking forward will help us develop these electric cars more efficiently. So we'll get there, though, guys. We'll get there. But I'll talk to you guys soon. We'll have another video dropping, kind of going over what Porsche gives us after the world premiere. But I'm kind of excited, so make sure to tune in. I'll leave the link for the world premiere down below, so let's all watch together. I'll talk to you guys soon. Your boy, the Titan. Later.